Welcome to our channel. So you're gonna have 4 bolts, 14 millimeters. For the back, you're gonna have to use this tool to pry behind the molding, so you can release the cap and get the bolt out. So after that, we're gonna get this seat back again, and we're gonna reach underneath to remove that clip right there and unplug the seat. Unfortunately, the camera is not gonna allow me to go down there, but I'll show you the plugs and I'll explain the process once I got this one out. So the process is very simple. This plug right here, you just push it down and it releases from the seat. This other one right here, you're gonna have to pry the little clip right there, and that will do the trick. This is the other one, is the same process. You just push it here and it will do the trick. So now we're gonna take the seat to our bench. I'm gonna do the same for the passenger side.